hell is this? I guess you're rolling. He's rolling. Oh, guys, he's rolling his chapel.
Is he?
Guys, his chapel. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark and Noah. Behind us, behind me, now behind Noah.
In front of Noah.
Now I'm in front of Noah. Now I'm behind Noah. This, my friends, is a gorgeous truck. Got a little bit of info to tell you a little bit about this, so come on here and check it out. This, my friends, was the preview of the video we did a little bit earlier. We gotta go quick because I want to get beautiful pictures. It's perfect timing to shoot the perfect picture in the perfect setting with the ample light. This is a 2008 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, all-wheel drive. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. We got a whole bunch of goodies on it, so come check it out. We're gonna start with the most first extravagant, which is the wheels and tire combo setup. This is a 22 by 12, right? Am I right? 22 by 12? You guys, what is this? 22 by 12, or is this a 22 by 14, or is this a 24 by 12 or a 22 by 10? Can you guys, the whole reason I'm saying this, because can you guys tell when looking at a wheel? Everybody's always like, no, you can never tell. I know them so well now, I can look at a wheel from any perspective, any point, and be like, yeah, that's 22 by 12, that's 22 by 10, unless you get some really crazy looking ones, concave and all this sort of jazz. But this is 22 by 12. Gorgeous wheel. It's a fuel wheel, and it's mounted on a set of TOYO Open Country all-terrains. These are an all-terrain tire. They don't make a lot of road noise, as you notice. They're just not too knobby, but they just do still have a pretty wide footprint. And these are a 35 1250 22-inch TOYO. Nice massive tire for a good truck, sitting on a nice lift kit. Let's get down low and show what's going on. So guys, the best part about this truck is the lift kit. It's a full throttle suspension lift kit. Or awesome setup right here. You have your spacers that go in between the axles, billet spacers that go in between the shafts right there. You got your full throttle suspension shocks. You get your dress up kit right here for the little caps that go on the end, which is kind of dirty. But that's it's aggravating, how dirty it. There we go. Now it's clean. Chrome caps. And you didn't really have to do any kind of trim really, besides the front valance right there, and that's it. The truck was owned and maintained by a guy locally here in Virginia, and then my buddy bought it, who has probably one of the most epic garages you've ever seen. Ask Noah.
I licked the floor.
You can honestly lick the floor. I'll post a picture in the listing actually. It's absolutely impeccable how clean this garage is. It's like a garage, it's a warehouse, friggin' huge warehouse with boats and cars and all sorts of crazy stuff in there. And a buddy of mine was very OCD like I am, very meticulous, changed the oil, the joints, ceramic coated the truck. The whole truck's ceramic coated, it's undercoated, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous truck. It's a Denali, and I'm gonna show you guys here. Come on in the driver's side. I'll show you. Oh yeah, go ahead over this side, that's fine. Go over that side. That side's fine to check me out at. So, it's got a few goodies on it. So, what kind of lift system is this?
Airlift.
This is an airlift bags in the rear, okay? You can control this. Watch, ready? Watch. See it?
It's not really focusing.
It's all right. Let's try it again. Ready? Watch this. 5 PSI. Listen. Go under there so you can hear it. So that's pretty cool. And you can let it out too. You can let the air out. Instead of going behind your truck and hitting your jacket or hitting your air chuck in there to raise or lower your pressure, then taking your PSI gauge, it's all designed within this little like garage and a key fob remote. And the best part about this is there's an application for it. So on your phone, you can go in the app, like my phone right now that Noah's holding, I can go in there and change when I'm driving or sitting still or what have you, the PSI and the bags in the rear. And if I'm trying to tow something or whatever, I'm hooking up to my boat, set the PSI, and there you go. This truck's got a Pioneer double-din, and it's still going on. It's crazy. Pioneer double-din CD player, dual climate control, pedal adjustment, parking, traction control on off. It's an awesome truck. It has backup camera. Let me show you. Ready? Backup camera. Hold on. It's loading. Passenger door open. 169,898 miles. There you go. Backup camera. See the horizon. And it's just a really good truck. Sounds good too. let's pop the hood and show you guys what's under the hood. Oh, and did I mention WeatherTech floor mats front to back? Awesome setup, really is. Standard Vortec 5. Oh, no, what am I talking about? Standard? Hell no, it's a Denali. So what does it have, guys? Guys, what does it have? I can't hear you.
A 6.2.
That's right, guys. It's got a 6.2 in it. Yeah, it's got a 6.2. Oh yeah. Hump the 6.2. Hump it. Oh, hey, how's it going? Just doing a video over here. We're not humping anything. It's got a 6.2. Of course we're humping it. It's got a 6.2. So yeah, it's got the 6.2 liter Vortec engine in it. Awesome engine. A lot of power. They come factory in the Cadillac Escalades and the Denali's and all that sort of jazz. Awesome truck to kick ASS with. But factory step rails, 20% window guards, turn signals incorporated into the mirrors, brand new spray on Rhino or Vortec bed liner on top, LoPro by Truxedo bed liner. The backup cameras are there, all LED lights front and rear. A mat on top of the liner. That's how OCD my buddy was. He's a good guy, really down to earth, smart man, very smart man. And this cover folds up. It's a tri-folding cover, solid. And you gotta go like this to show me. Most important thing, ready? Come on, just open for me. Close out first, and go like that second. So it sits nice and flush. See the little flapper? See the gasket? It sits nice and flush.
Forgot something.
What?
Brand new tag bolts.
Oh, shut up! I knew you were gonna get me on something. Haven't forgot this time, son. But as you were saying, I was emphasizing the rear airlift right there. So it's the bags sit right here, okay? This is a leaf spring truck, so you can see leaf spring, and it's got a gorgeous set of Bilsteins in the rear. Brand new Bilstein 5100s in the rear. Yeah, that's it. It's really a phenomenal truck, and it turns heads. It turns heads from a mile away. I absolutely love this truck. So hope you guys liked the video. If you need more information, hit me up, and we'll go from there. If you guys have any questions about this truck or any other trucks that you want to see some cool videos, give me a holler. In the meantime, I got a jet. Sun's going down and take some pictures. See you later. Bye. Oh, it's Noah. Oh, it's travel. Go roll into the truck again. Quick. Go roll into the truck again. Go. There you go. Oh, yeah, he's still rolling. Oh, my goodness, he's rolling. All right, guys, see you later. We're rolling out of here.